Hey guys, Candida here, and I was sent a 6-pack of socks in exchange for my honest review. So as you can see, they come in this pack and there are 6 pairs of white socks. These socks fit from a 5 to a size 9.5. What I want you to notice about these white socks is it has the rib here up in the ankle all the way down to the toes. And so it's got this nice rib fitting all the way. The socks are machine washable and dryer safe, so they are easy to care for, easy to clean. I like that these socks aren't too thin, but they're also not too thick, and so it makes it where my foot doesn't slip in my shoe, which is always helpful. So here you can see that I actually have a pair of the socks on. What I want you to notice is on the toe bar right here, on the toe line, it fits right across my toes, but I don't feel it on the inside. It feels nice and snug here. It's got the ribs all the way up. These socks meet me right here, halfway up my calf. On this leg, I have my leggings tucked in and the socks over it. And then here you can see that it goes up halfway. It's got a nice secure fit here, so I don't have to worry about the socks slipping. Overall, the socks are nice and comfortable. They stay in place. They are easy to care for, so that's a win. I hope you found the review helpful.